welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Kim. Alright, so today I have for you guys a kind of a no makeup. So it's pretty similar to my foundation routine, but there are some slight differences, and I don't know, it's just more of like your skin but better. Quick hurry up, let's go, we gotta get out the house in like 10-15 minutes, probably not 10 minutes but like 15 minutes, and you still want to, you know, put yourself together just a little bit, you know. Sometimes I skip this, sometimes I feel like, you know, I just want to look like, you know, your skin but better, and this is usually what I do when on those days. So if you want to see how I get this chill, no makeup, you know, your skin but better look, then just keep on watching the video.
F20 production. She's so sexy right next to me, laying under the sheets. We just do what we do and then party all over the streets. Then we go to the club and she ordered up every drink, yeah. Then she goes to the floor, think I'm not watching, that's what you think. The way how she move, got me wanting to hold her and put on my dancing boots. The way how she move, got me wanting to hold her and put on my dancing boots. The way how she move, got me wanting to hold her and put on my dancing boots. The way how she move, I said the way how she move.
What's it up?
She, the way how she move, the way how she move,
and just the way how she move,
the way how she.
That night say she had the right one, cause she a wine to my song.
Long time girl me never see
come
you.
Come me holding on me right hand, be sitting long like a python. We make love in the dark, but it better when the lights on. Hey girl, me want you ride on, cause of you me got me hype on. Anywhere me go, me get a girl, I'm a Jamaican. Put on me dancing boots, we can dance all day long. She's so sexy right next to me, laying under the sheet.
We just do what we do, then we party all over the streets.
Then we go to the club and she ordered her favorite drinks, yeah.
Then she goes to the floor, think I'm not watching, that's what you think. The way how she move, got me wanting to hold her and put on my dancing boots. The way how she move, got me wanting to hold her and put on my dancing boots. The way how she move, got me wanting to hold her and put on my dancing boots. The way how she move, I said the way how she move.
What's it up?
She, the way how she, the way how she,
what's it up?
The way how she,
I just the way how she,
the way how she, the way how she, the way how she, the way how she.
Chops. The lyrical act. I'm here represent for the mother. More time. You see, mommy, I forgot you some things that just to make you turn me to my heart. You know the way that? Mama, don't cry, Mama, don't cry, everything's so fine. I've tuned up bunks on the radio. Enough couple more advice. Mama, don't cry, Mama, don't cry, everything's so fine. You me, I'm still true, I do. Sing even if me true, I try. Me say me have to make it on my straight. Touch the road that me no care. Through the shadow of it, me no see no evil when me fear. Can't live without the money like inhale and exhale. Balenciaga a beat, I'm out a cup of fresh beer. Me never skip the line, me there ya humble and now wait for them. Get the knife and give me my slice of the cake. Anytime we reach.
Alright guys, so that's it. I hope you guys enjoyed this look. It was very, very easy to do. Like, I feel like anybody can do this. I feel like this look is definitely very beginner friendly. If you're that everyday like girl who really who's just not into a full face of makeup, or maybe you're just lazy today, like usually that's when I do this. Like when I'm feeling really lazy and I just can't be bothered or something. I did, however, want to mention something particular for this video, and that is the Jeffree Star Liquid Frost highlighters. Now, I got so much I want to say about this, but I'm not going to because it's not a review for this product. But I'm going to just tell you guys, the first time I used this, because this is my second time using it, the first time I used it, I was a little bit taken aback because I don't know, I expected, because Jeffree is so extra when it comes on to highlights, and his skin frost, the actual skin frost, like powder highlighters are so beaming, they're so bright. I don't know why I thought this would be so bright, and this is my first liquid highlighter type situation, so I didn't really know what to expect. Boom. So when I used it last time and I realized that how it kind of just melts into your skin and just looks more like a glow than an actual highlight. So that's why I opted to use it today, and I don't know if you guys can tell, but it doesn't look like there's anything sitting on my skin. It just, you see that? It's just a glow. Like, it's just a really, let me come even closer so y'all can get all up in there. You guys see it? It's like so subtle. It's crazy. So the first time I used it, thinking I was gonna get a highlight, I was definitely like, no, like this is not the business. And I ended up having to use an actual Jeffree Star highlighter on top of it. But so if you want to use this and thinking you want something bright, I think you would have to go with a powder highlighter first and then put this on top for probably like that wet highlighter look, that wet glow. But for the purpose of today's video, it came in handy so well. So if you are not an extravagant person, you're not extra, and you don't like the beaming face and you like to just look natural, you should probably pick up one of these. I got the one, Goddess. That's the shade that I have, and I think it's perfect for my skin tone. And I also put it on my collarbone. Can you guys tell? I put it on my collarbone and my shoulder blades. I'm sure you can see it on my shoulder blades. It's like a little bit glowy. But yeah, I really like these for your skin. But if you do decide to put it on your face, just be aware that it won't be like super bright. But yeah, that's that. I feel like I've been talking forever. Hope you guys like this look. If you guys like this look, give it a thumbs up, 2 thumbs up, share it with a friend. Like, guys, I'm trying to get this channel to 1,000 subscribers. So when you finish watching this video, if you like it, be sure to give this video a thumbs up. Comment in the description. Oh my god, what am I saying? I must be drunk. Anyways, comment in the comments and let me know what you guys think. I would love to hear your thoughts. Tell me what kind of videos you want to see. Share this video on Facebook or wherever. Share it with your friends. Tag your friend. Copy the link. Send it to your home girl. Be like, hey girl, like, check our videos out. Just help a girl out, you know. Help me help you guys, because you know I'm coming with the videos. So can you guys help me to grow my channel by just sharing the video? And you know, anyways, boom. If you have not subscribed to my channel as yet, I mean, what are you waiting for? Like, I don't understand. Like, comment and tell me what you're waiting for. What's the reason you don't want to join the fam? Like, what, you don't like me? What's the problem? Like, what is the problem? Like, let me know. Come on, let's talk about it. Like, for real, let's talk about it. But if you ain't got a reason why you're not subscribed, then hit that subscribe button, please, and thank you. I would greatly appreciate it. Until next time. Bye.